Hello, Holly, no, go away. Hello and welcome to new background. I've moved. Basically what this video is going to be is the fact that I had absolutely no idea what I wanted to have for dinner, and I suddenly thought, you know what, I really fancy pizza. I'm on my own. I was like, I'm going to make some pizza. Can't decide whether I'm going to do like a tomato base or like a bechamel base. I might do a bechamel base, just for something a bit different. I'm going to make it because it's going to take really long and I'm kind of hungry. So to start with, I'm going to make the dough and then set that to one side to prove. I've got 90 grams of plain flour, a teaspoon of yeast and just a pinch of salt in here. Into that I'm going to mix in 40 grams of water and a tablespoon of olive oil. All the ingredients will all be linked below the table. So I'm just going to mix it together and then add in the liquid. Oh, this is warm. So just wanting to knead it until it incorporates all the flour. I'm not going to knead it for ages, I'm not going to knead it for 10 minutes because I can't really be bothered. So I'm just going to knead it for a couple of minutes and then set it aside to prove for about half an hour, 45 minutes. I'm going to put it near the oven just so it's warm. Also, I only used plain flour in this. I should have used bread flour. That would have helped. Yeah, that'll do. Because I can't really feel doing more, so I'm just going to stick this in the bowl and cover it with a tea towel and leave it to proof. While I go proving, I'm going to prepare everything else. So I'm going to roast some of this butternut squash to go on top. I'll just do maybe like I'll just do that much. So I've just done small cubes of it. I'm going to put this on a baking tray with some oil, some salt and pepper and let it roast a bit. So I've put that into roast with a couple of cloves of garlic as well, and then I'm going to fry up 2 shallots which I'm going to chop up, and a couple of mushrooms and some leek. So I'm also making a start on the sauce, so in here I've got 15 grams of melted vegan butter. I'm going to stir in 15 grams of plain flour, heat this up and slowly add in some soy milk. So, one of my favourite parts of pizza is always the crust, but to make this crust super special, Polly, no. I'm going to do like a little glaze to brush around the edges, so I've got some oil, some olive oil, some maple syrup, a little bit of smoked paprika. I'd normally use liquid smoke, but I have no idea where it is, and some salt. I'll mix this together with a brush and put it on the crusts when I'm ready to bake it. Now, I'm super excited because I found a pizza stone. I did not know we had one of those, so I'm going to use that, hopefully. I hope it works. I'm just going to dust this board with some semolina, which helps make it like a really crispy crust. I'm also probably going to put a little bit of this on the pizza stone before I cook it. I've got my risen dough. Just going to put this out and press it and pull it. Well, I shouldn't really pull it too much because I didn't knead it properly. Into a roughly circular pizza shape. So to start with, I've got my bechamel sauce, which I've got way too much of for this. You don't want to make this too long before you actually start assembling it, because otherwise it all thickens up, but if it does that, it's fine. You can just add a little bit more milk to it. Spread this out to the edges. And then we've got our mushrooms and onion type things. I'm just going to squidge over the garlic cloves that I roasted, and the butternut squash pieces. And a hell of a lot of vegan cheese. So then just on the crust edges that are showing, I'm just going to mix together my dip and spread it over. Get this in the oven and get baking. Pizza is done. I've just got some kale heating up in the pan that I cooked the mushrooms and stuff in with some lemon juice and the leftover sauce that I brushed the edges with. So I'm going to top it with that and then I'm going to eat. There is no way for me to feasibly eat this now. Like, it's not going to be tidy. And I wanted to dip it in mayo, but I'm just going to have to do it on top instead. Wow. I'll tell you what, that doesn't look bad now. I'm running out of mayo! Oh my god, this is heartbreaking. No, don't do this. Okay, let's give this a try. Should probably just use an iron fork, let's be honest. But no, I'm going to try and eat it like a pizza. Cooked it on a pizza stone, that's done it. Hot. I tell you what, that is so much better than I thought it was going to be. It might be cooking it on a pizza stone with semolina. It just gives it a proper pizza feel. My dog is staring at me right now. And I know there are people who don't like having pizza that's not got tomato sauce on it, but I'm all for a barbecue base. A white sauce base. This is so good. Nailed it. Thanks for coming along to watch me work out what I was going to eat for dinner and then eat my dinner. I don't know what to say. I always end like this. Cool, yeah. Bye.